Front load washing machine, 1200 rpm, 8 kilogram, silver color. Inverter motor. In this video I will show you how to use and what are the programs and how much time does it takes for each programs, and also I will show you how much water and electricity it takes and how many star rating does it has. Let's go. Electrolux Perfect Care 500. So here, this is the washing machine. It has two pipes. One, the water inlet, you have to fix it here in the tap. And then there is another pipe. This is for water drain out. I'll just plug in and switch on. In this video, I will tell you about how to use this Electrolux Perfect Care 500 model. The model number for this one is EWF8241SS5. The size for this one is 1 kg to 8 kg, and it has these programs like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and you can do customization here also. I will show you how many minutes it and how much temperature it, how much RPM it will take. All this program, it has preset temperature, RPM, and also timer. But in case if you want to do customization, you can do customization here. As I select the cotton, and it shows 2 hours 55 minutes time and 60-degree temperature, 1200 RPM. So if I want to use this program, I just press this one here, start, and it will start. So then there is synthetic. For synthetic clothes, it shows like 40-degree temperature, 1200 RPM, and 2 hours 5 minutes of time. And if I want to start, just I will press here, start. Then there is delicate. This is for delicate clothes. So in this one, the temperature is 40 degree and the RPM is 1200, and the time is 1 hour 35 minutes. Then here you press and it will start. The next program is daily 60. This is for daily wears. So if you want to use this program, it shows here 40-degree temperature, 1200 RPM, and 1 hour timer. And if you want to start, just press it here, start. Then there is Cotton Eco. Cotton Eco means this is for cotton economical program. So in this one, it takes more time. So RPM will be 1200 and the temperature will be 60 degree. And the time is 4 hours 15 minutes. And if you want to start, you just press the button start. Then there is wool or hand wash program. The temperature for this one is 40 degree and the RPM is 1000 and the time is 1 hour 5 minutes. And if you want to start, just press it here, start. Then there is a spin and drain program. If you want to drain out the water after spinning, just select this one and the RPM will be 1200. There is no temperature because it will drain out the water. Whatever water it's available inside the drum, it will drain out it. So just press start, it will start. This is time, the timer is 10 minutes. Then there is washing program quick 20. This is for small loads. If you want to use little load only, like one pair of clothes. So if you want to use this one, just select this one. There is temperature 1000, the temperature is 30 degree and the RPM is 1200, rotate per minute. Then if you want to start, just press start. Then there is mixed fabric. This program is for mixed fabric, like mixed colors, mixed fabric like jeans, denim, cotton, silk. If you want to mix all together, you can use mixed fabric. This is for mixed fabric. The temperature is 130 degree and the RPM is 1200. The timer is 1 hour 15 minutes. If you want to start, then just press the button start and it will start the program. Then there is the last second program, cotton steam. If you want to use this program, the temperature will be 60 degree and the RPM is 1200 and the timer is 3 hours 45 minutes. And if you want to start, just press the button start. Then there is anti-allergy steam program. This is the last one and the temperature for this one is 40 degree and the RPM is 1200. The time is 3 hours 10 minutes. And if you want to start, just press the button start. Most of the programs you can do the customization here. So what is the customization? This is temperature. As you can see here, the light 50 degree, 40 degree, 30 degree, normal water, normal tap water 90 degree. So the temperature is from a normal tap water 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree maximum. Then there is a spin. How many times it can rotate per minute? Like 1200 RPM, 1000 RPM, 800 RPM, 600 RPM. This is like soaking, and this is no RPM. Okay. Then there is here, if you see, this is like add steam. If you want to add the steam while washing the program, after the washing program, it will steam. So this one you can add it. So steaming, what does it do is it reduces the wrinkles of your clothes. Then there is time manager. If you want to increase the time or decrease the time, you can do it. So from time manager you can increase and decrease. Then there is pre-wash option. If you want to do pre-wash while selecting a program, if you want to add the pre-wash option, you can do the pre-wash. Then there is the rinse option. So this is if you want to do extra rinse, you can select this one. Then there is easy iron. It will wash in a way that it will be less wrinkled so that you can easily iron. After the wash, you can easily iron your clothes. Then there is the delay and timer. It's a delay option, delay program. Like suppose you want to use this any of this program at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, or morning at 10 o'clock. You can select the timer from here. It will end at the time. It's a delay timer option. Then this button is for start, pause, or add close. So if you press once, it will start. If you press again, it will pause, and it sounds one time click. It will make sound like tick one time. If make 2 times, it means you can add your clothes. So these are the customization options. So the drum is pearl care system. The drum is like inside pearl care system. It will care for your clothes. This is made in Egypt. This is for water drain. So the water will drain out, and if there is any coins or anything remains there, you can remove it. Make sure before you open this one, the water inside the drum should not be very hot. Otherwise, it may burn your fingers or hand. This is the filter. Let's say if there is anything inside over there, there is nothing inside. So you can close it. $11,050 liter per year annual water consumption and 130 kilowatt per year annual energy consumption. Water efficiency is 4-star and energy efficiency level for clothes, washing machine and dryers are 5-star. By Emirates Authority for Standardization and Metrology. And don't forget to like my video, and if possible share with your friends and family. Do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching Appliances by Masood.